In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing codec error when you're trying to play a video in Windows 11. So if you're trying to play back one of your videos on your Windows computer and you're receiving a missing codec error followed by some numbers, then what you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Then click on this Microsoft Store. In the search box, type in VLC Player and hit Enter. And then you need to go ahead and download this VLC Media Player. So you can see I already have this installed. And once you've got this installed, you'll need to head over to your Start menu, search for VLC, and then open up the VLC Media Player. Then in the top left navigation, click on Media, select Convert/Save, and then click on the Add button. Now from here, you just need to locate the video that you're having this codec issue with. So mine's this video here. I'm going to double click on this and then press Convert and Save. Next to Destination File, click on Browse, and then just select where you want to save this converted file to. I'm just going to save it over on my desktop and click Save. Then click on the Start button and give that a few seconds while it converts your video file. Once it's finished, you can then head over to your desktop, and if you double click your file, you should now be able to play it without any codec errors. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.